Affirmations are very powerful things. And they are not just loose sentences to be made. कि हाँ ये मूड हुआ, ये अच्छा लगा सेंटेंस तो ये बोल दिया. बोलने मात्र से अफर्मेशन नहीं होता है. बट येस देर आर टाइम्स, वो हम बोलते ना जबान पे सरस्वती बैठी है, कि इन दैट मोमेंट यू मेक सम स्टेटमेंट, इट डज कम ट्रू. And it may always come with a package. When you make a blatant statement, a very general statement, without knowing what all goes into it, you don't know what is it that you have asked for from the universe. Also, when you make an affirmation, the statement of affirmation should feel true to you. Means when that affirmation is coming true, what will you be like, how will you be, what you will say, what you will do, how you will behave, how you will make use of it, how you will interact with others, what will be your appearance, what will be your motive, what will you do with that ability. And you should know what you will have to go through in order to arrive at that. You should be willing to do all that which it requires in order to be there. All this is required for making any affirmation and truly work as affirmation. That is why I don't give you back of palm statement which are like affirmations, but I make it as a choice. So at least you are getting that information from your subconscious. If there is anything that is going against it, it will come up. That you are making this choice, but this is obstructing in making that choice. Also, I generally don't tell you to do it unless and until you have done VCT on it, you have worked on it, and it has already worked for you. So, just to strengthen it and make it remove some minor debris that may have been left for it to be realized, then that goes off. So, इंटेलिजेंटली खाली सोच के अफर्मेशन नहीं होता है. इट हैज टू बी फेल्ट. And you know it, just thinking it once or writing it once or saying it once is not enough, right? It should become part and parcel of your natural way of thinking. जैसे कोई ना कोई थॉट हमारे माइंड में आता जाता ही रहता है. Our mind is not free from thoughts. Even if you consciously don't think, something or the other is passing. To practice affirmation, to make it effective, these passing thoughts should not be anything else but that affirmation. And if you are doing many affirmations together, then it weakens their impact. At one time, one very clear affirmation which aligns you with it, which aligns everything in your life with that affirmation. So that वो जो एक ही एक थॉट, बुराई वाला थॉट तो आते ही रहते ना, इसने मेरा इंसल्ट किया, इसने मेरा इंसल्ट किया, इसने मेरा इंसल्ट किया, बार बार आता है. उससे बेहतर वो अफर्मेशन माइंड में वैसे चलना चाहिए. It should become that natural for you. That is when that affirmation will start guiding you. That is when you will end up becoming aware of what needs to be removed for this affirmation to be established. That is when you will also get the idea as to what all you need to do for this affirmation to actualize. और अफर्मेशन को यदि इंटेंशन बनाना है तो यू हैव टू सेट अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक टाइमलाइन फॉर इट एंड डिस्क्राइब योर बिहेवियर, योर एटीट्यूड, your thinking, etc., that will happen, how it will show you when it is realized, how you will be able to see it. And on that day, this is what will happen. So there has to be a timeline to it for it to materialize. So that much for affirmation.